Fatty liver disease can raise your risk of heart attack, stroke, and metabolic syndrome. So, it's important to reverse this as soon as you can. Without a healthy liver, you may suffer from hormonal imbalances that can cause headaches, mood swings, and depression. It's time to nurture this amazing organ with foods and supplements that help it function optimally. 1. Choline. Choline is particularly important for liver health, as it is required for the proper transportation of fat from the liver to cells throughout the body. Another major benefit of choline is its role in keeping the liver free from harmful toxic buildups. It does this by preventing the accumulation of fat in the liver, which can lead to serious conditions such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Choline also helps to transport both cholesterol and triglycerides, two fats that need to be sent away from the liver to other parts of the body where they can support other organs. 2. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is one of the most popular liver supplements for treating and repairing the liver, thanks to its amazing seeds, which contain a flavonoid called silyamarin. Silyamarin is an important antioxidant and protects the liver by optimizing liver function and detoxification. It also repairs damage to the liver cells caused by disease, alcohol, and drugs. In fact, milk thistle is used all over the world to treat alcoholic hepatitis, liver disease, cirrhosis, and viral hepatitis. Silyamarin works by acting as a gatekeeper, protecting the liver from toxins and free radicals. It binds to the outside of the liver cell and them off free radicals by blocking their entry to the liver cell. It also scavenges toxins that have already found their way into the cell. 3. Dark leafy greens. Kale, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are powerful vegetables that contain high levels of sulfur, which supports your liver in its detoxification process, triggering it to remove free radicals and other toxic chemicals. Dandelion is another dark leafy green, known as one of the most effective plants to support liver detoxification. 3. Garlic. One of the oldest land-based medicinal foods on the planet, garlic contains an active sulfur-based compound called allicin, a critical supporter of liver detoxification.